Are you tired of the rat race in the insurance game? Are you looking for an insurance company that has small hometown values while still being able to provide the coverage options you need? The Hoverman Insurance Agency is a local, independent, and family-owned insurance agency that has been in business for over 60 years. We not only have the auto, home, rental, farm, and business insurance policies that you can trust in to protect you in your time of need, but our caring staff is committed to excellence and customer service every call, every claim, every customer. We truly are your hometown agents, and we will work with you every step of the way to get all the coverage you absolutely need without breaking your budget. It's time to go back to the people you know you can trust, and it's time to call Hoverman Insurance Agency. Give us a call today so we can earn your business. You can reach us at 419-293-2716 or visit us online at www.hovermanins.com.